Planning a move in Gresham, Oregon? Whether you are moving across town, relocating to another Oregon city, or heading out of state, it helps to understand what affects your moving cost before booking a mover. A local Gresham move usually depends on labor time, truck size, and how much you are moving. A long-distance move may also include mileage, shipment weight or volume, delivery schedule, and route planning. Your final moving price can depend on the size of your home, number of movers needed, packing services, stairs, elevators, parking access, heavy furniture, and whether storage is needed during the move. A studio or one-bedroom apartment typically takes less time than a full household move. More rooms, large furniture, appliances, and specialty items can require more labor, more truck space, and more planning. Packing services can make the move easier, especially if you have fragile items, a busy schedule, or a larger home. To manage costs, you can pack simple items yourself and let movers handle the heavier or more delicate pieces. Access can affect the estimate. Apartment stairs, elevators, long hallways, narrow driveways, limited parking, or tight loading areas can add time, so it is best to mention those details when requesting a quote. Before choosing a Gresham moving company, compare written estimates. Look at what is included, what may cost extra, and whether the mover explains the process clearly. The lowest quote is not always the best value. To make moving day smoother, declutter early, label boxes by room, separate important documents, confirm parking, and review pickup and delivery details before the crew arrives. So what should you know about Gresham movers? Your cost depends on home size, distance, labor, packing needs, access conditions, and service level. A clear plan helps avoid confusion on moving day. For more helpful moving guides, visit 3movers at 3movers.com and read the full guide on Gresham movers and moving costs.